welcome back to my channel, The Master That Begins Now. Today, I have this little, I have this little cube place with a, I don't know, Pokemon in it, and I want to like make a animation going around, and I decided to make a video of like how to make an animation of it going around, but in like a perfect way, so not in like manual way, in like actual like it goes in a perfect circle like that. So what we want to do first is add mesh. So if we go to this mode, add mesh, curve, circle, and then S, scale it up, maybe GZ. I want to put it more up. And then I go back to Z mode, and then if I scale it more out like that, and then if I go to edit mode, and then I select this one, and then it's this line, so the line in front of your object, the line that you want your camera to start from, select it, then press Shift S, then cursor to selected, so then our cursor will teleport here. Then what we can do is go back to object mode. Then if we select our camera, where's our camera? No, we don't have a camera. So if we select our camera, then we do Shift S, selection to cursor. Do you see that? Selection to cursor. So then our camera teleports to here. Just RZ, adjust it to be like straight. I think that would be good. That will be good to go. And then what we can do is go to this mode, and then select our camera, of course, GZ, and move it up to our things like that. Then what we can do is, after selecting the camera, select the circle, then Control P, okay, in object mode. Then go to follow path. Now if we go inside, you can see it follows the circle. So the animation I want is maybe 2 rounds around this Pokemon. So we can do so that's 1, then 2. So about 200, yeah. So we can set the end to 200. Yep. Yeah, and that's our animation. And if we go to this, and if we set this to FFmpeg video, and of course, save it, and then select, please, desktop, Pokemon Rock type, accept, and then you can do render animation. This shouldn't take that long. I mean, yeah, you can see it's rendering really fast. Okay, I think it's done. So if we can go to the, no wait, we can see it. Let's go. Okay, so that's done. Hope you liked and enjoyed the video, and subscribed if this helped you. And yep, you can leave the video. Yep, yeah, you can leave.